second-hand bags today. We bought YSL, Hermes, and Birkin. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we're going to unbox the bag that I bought from the thrift store. So are you guys ready? Let's just unbox it. So today I bought two bags, which is Hermes Birkin size 25 and YSL backpack. So unfortunately the box is not Hermes anymore because this is a second hand. So mostly if it's second hand, sometimes there's no more box, sometimes there's no more dust bag, and sometimes there's no inclusion. But sometimes if you are really lucky, because some people still keep the box, the dust bag and everything, and they sell it to the pawn shop. But unfortunately here in Japan, it's really it's a minimalist country. They don't really get the box, and sometimes they lose the dust bag because it's really vintage, it's really old. So sometimes there's no really inclusion. Anyways, so I'm gonna show you guys the bag that I bought from the second-hand shop here in Tokyo. So I am still lucky that I got a dust bag. So this is Togo leather, and as you can see, this is gold hardware, and it comes with padlock and also with a key, as you can see it. And the color of this Birkin size 25 is rouge. In French, it's, I don't know how to pronounce it, but rouge. 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 But it's actually just red. So you can see the stamp here. It says A. So guys, she is stamp A from 2017. Just stamp A. There's no shape at all. But from 1945 to 1970, no shapes were used. But from 1971 to 1996, they used the circle. But from 1997 to 2014, they used the square shape. So yeah, this one is from 2017, stamp A. If there are additional numbers or letters next to the blind stamp, these indicate the section of the atelier in which the bag maker works. Just want to let you know guys that this Birkin is not mine. It's for my client, it's for my customer from the Philippines. Thank you so much for buying into my shop. I'm gonna send it to you soon. I really love the color of this because it's red. It's really stunning, it's really beautiful. Like, everyone will notice you because you're wearing the red bag, even though from far away. It's really cute. It's really This size is really perfect because recently small bags are really in. So next one is the Yves Saint Laurent. Yves Saint Laurent. I don't know if I pronounce it right, but let's ask Google again.
Yves Saint Laurent.
Yves Saint Laurent. Yves Saint Laurent. Yves Saint Laurent. Yves Saint Laurent. Ta-da! It's kind of small, just like my chest size. It's not for myself. Again, this one is for my customer from United States of America. Just wanna flex and show it to you guys before I ship it to US of A. So this skin is calf skin and it's color black, and I just want to wear it. I'm gonna show it to you how big it is. So it's like this when you wear it. So you're gonna wear your backpack and your Birkin at the same time. Weird, right? And you're gonna sleep like this. Everybody shake it, baby. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you again soon. And please do follow me on my YouTube account, which is Ian Carlos TV. And also follow me on my Instagram and my Facebook account to see more items. And also you can buy to my shop, which is Ian Carlos TV _ shop on Instagram.